Push-in style self-retaining threaded fasteners, called expansion nuts, are another type of self-retaining threaded nut. There are two basic shapes, a tapered robotic style and squared box style. Both have panel retention features that hold the fastener in place prior to screw installation. The screw retaining features include a stamped single impression or a tapped barrel. Expansion nuts are pushed into a hole in the center of the panel. This can be done by hand or by automation for high-volume applications. Once installed, further part handling is no longer required throughout the rest of the assembly operation. The installer positions the mating panel to the fastener by aligning the holes. Once aligned, the screw is driven through the hole of the mating panel into the screw retention feature of the expansion nut. Once installed, the fastener is hidden, but the head of the screw is visible, making this a serviceable joint. All interact with the screw as it is installed to expand the legs and increase retention. Because of their repeatability, expansion nuts are now used instead of self-tapping screws directly into sheet metal panels. Expansion nuts can be used in most panel applications and most industries. The reduced material handling speeds the assembly process. The counter torque feature eliminates the need for access to the back of the panel. Because the part is self-retaining, sub-assembly can be assigned to areas of the plant better suited for assembly or can be outsourced to manufacturing facilities that specialize in assembly. Expansion nuts are available in many shapes and sizes, including the option of a seal to reduce the risk of noise and water intrusion. A. Raymond Industrial Fasteners allow you to replace traditional fastening methods with innovative solutions that combine aesthetics and functionality. They are quick and